Hello everyone, welcome to next Arduino tutorial. So today we will discuss about the IR LEDs. Okay, so in this software actually we don't have IR LEDs, so I'll draw the schematic diagram for wiring. Okay, first of all let's take a wire. Okay, and add a bend point. Okay, alright. Okay, so here's my transmitter LED. It is my positive end and it is my negative end. Okay, let's take another wire. Now in this case transmitter LED is forward bias, so negative end will goes to ground of Arduino board. Let's change the color to black. Okay, so here is the ground terminal of LED, sorry, Arduino board. Alright, now positive end will goes to 5 volt of Arduino with 1 kilo ohm resistance. So add 1 kilo ohm resistance to positive end first. This is my 1 kilo ohm resistance. Now let's rotate it to 90 degree. Okay. Now add a wire. Change the color of wire to yellow. Blue is perfect. This is my positive end. Right. Okay, now second end of resistance will goes to 5 volt of Arduino board. Alright, now there's my wire. So here's a 5 volt. Let's change the color of wire to red. Alright. Bend point. Yeah, that's it. That's perfect. Okay. Now let's see, blue wire. Change the color of wire to blue. Add a bend point. Alright. Okay. Now let's draw our receiver LED. So it was my transmitter LED. Okay. So now let's draw our receiver LED. Let's change the color of wire to white because my receiver LED is in white color. Okay, so here's my negative end and here's my positive end, and make sure your receiver LED will reverse bias in this case. Okay, So positive end of the IR LED receiver IR LED will goes to ground terminal of Arduino board. Okay, let's change the color to black. That is my ground terminal. Black. Okay, positive end will goes to ground and negative. Okay, and negative end will goes to 5 volt with 3 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, so let's change the resistance to 3.3 kilo ohm. Sorry. Now let's rotate it to 90 degree. Okay. Change the color of wire to blue. My negative end of receiver. Okay, and here's the second end of my resistor. Okay, now connect the output of this receiver to Arduino pin. Alright, let's say here's the output. Okay, that will goes to digital pin of Arduino board. Let's say 8. Okay, now it was my receiver LED. Okay, now as long as there is no object between these two LEDs, then it will give 0 volt. Okay, when any object comes across these LEDs, it will give 5 volt. Okay, so that was the wiring part. Now let's do our programming section. Okay, so here's my programming section. Now I know I have connected my IR LED to pin number 8 of Arduino board. Okay, now in our void setup, sorry, let's declare our IR LED as an input. IR input. Okay, so let's open our serial port. Sorry, serial dot begin 9600. Okay, first of all, let's read the bits coming from IR LEDs. Okay, so int bits equals to digital read IR. Okay, serial dot println bits, add some delay 5. Okay, now upload your code on Arduino board. Okay, now open the serial monitor. Bits are 0 0 because there is no object between these two LEDs, so it gives you 0 bit, that means 0 volt. Okay, now if any object comes across between these two LEDs, okay, now it will give 5 volt, which means 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's turn on an LED. Okay, that means let's turn on our red LED or green LED. Okay,